Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing beautiful Chinese food. I've got teriyaki chicken, tofu stir fry, and noodles. Okay, and my drink today, I try to go a little bit fancy because my little daughter, she's away from school, and she said, Mom, get the lemon and do the twirly-whirly. Anyway, this is lemon tea, guys. And I made it from this. Okay, guys. So cheers. It's really nice too, I can tell you. So this is Nest tea. Okay, you get it from the Chinese stores and that. And then all you need is like for 1 cup you need a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon and a quarter. Okay, that's for 1 cup. So 4 cups, you need 5 tablespoons and so on and so forth. Anyway, but I use 2 tablespoons for this one. And it's just, you know, cold water. Icy cold water. Because I used to try and make me my iced tea. And then first you have to wait for it to cool down. Then by the time it's all cooled down, you have to like put it in the fridge or something, and then you don't even want it anymore. But this one, look at this. I don't know if this is the norm, but they gave me free chopstick. Must be extra special. Anyway, there's teriyaki. There's teriyaki chicken. Got a lot of onions, guys. And for you onion lovers, you think, ooh la la, it's lovely. Okay, better eat it before it gets cold. I'm talking too much. Okay, bean, guys. Well, this is celery. I love celery. When I was a kid and my mom had some in the fridge, I will cut the ends off, put it in a plastic bag, and take it for my lunch. Nice. This is zucchini. Tofu. Oh yeah, it's quite nice. Has everyone been? It's starting to get cold here. That's why I wore a scarf, because it was cold when we went shopping. Đấy. Vừa qua ngay xe này phải lắc mẹ ấy á. You know, when you have island functions, you always gotta have like chow mein, eh? Because when something's missing in that group of food, like chow mein, chicken, sop suey, beef soup, when one's missing, it's like not a complete salmon dish. And I like it when a chow mein has like crunchy veggies. Because when it's overcooked, not that good. I don't know, some people might like it. Hey guys, a bit of chicken there for you. My neighbour's having a tree chopped down. I was worried that you guys gonna hear the buzz of all those me chopping down the tree. They make this tofu good. I used to pick out the tofu out of my plate when I used to go Chinese places. But that's really pretty good. Anyway, guys, don't forget, this is sweet iced tea. So it's a product of Nestle, I hope. Yes, it is. You can see the symbol at the back. It's a bit blurry, but that's what it is. And it's really, really nice, you know. Oh, my daughter telling me to put the fancy lemon. Yeah, it's got skin stuck on it, and I love it. You know, some people like the skin off, but not me. I mean, that's where all the flavour is, I reckon. Nice. Oh, I saw this girl fall down today. Poor thing, she had just gone to the shop that you buy this from. She bought her some noodles. I was walking this way, she was going there. Next minute, she just collapsed and fell right on her face. Poor thing. And you know what was weird? It was a Tongan lady, a married man, and a Samoan lady. We are the ones that all rushed up, picked her up, and put her on a chair. And the poor Palangis were standing there. Not that they were, I think they were, but as we were dramatic, we ran for her. But the Palangis were making their way there, not that they weren't going to help. I feel sorry for her. Oh, no way, she just fell. Poor thing. You can get those dizzy spells, you know. And poor thing, she says she's not low on sugar, you know. But man, the way she landed, I've never seen that before. Someone landing on their face. That's so bad. Poor thing, I hope she's alright. It was a married guy that picked her up, really. We were the ones that were just holding her arm and picking up her stuff. I was looking down, I was thinking about that girl. I'm thinking, poor thing. I did a noodle all squashed. She just bought it too. It's a noodle box. I done a taco chicken day before yesterday. Or was it yesterday? Dementia creeping up on me. Mangaya. That's really nice. Someone asked me for a shout out and I was meant to put them down in the book. I couldn't find a pen at the time. So sorry to that person. I'll do it next time. I saw a comment that B put on that she missed her love, her and her dad shared. Got me teary. Because I know the feeling when you lose a parent, guys. It's just that empty feeling. Like not a complete family anymore. So when I saw her comment, I knew what she was talking about. So guys, if you got both your parents, appreciate them. Let them see the love in your actions, you know. Because nothing is so nice than for your parents to see, you know, their children or their child showing love. I always say that if you can't love your own parents at your own home and you're going and showing that to other people, you just have to wonder how real it is, eh? You treat your family good first, and then everything else falls into place, and then that's how you feel about other people too, you know? Not, oh, you just want to go out and show your love and your, oh, you know, just show yourself being good to other people when, yeah, at home, you don't do it to your folks. I can't comprehend that, you know. Do your parents first, your siblings. Then when you treat other people like that, it's coming from your heart because that's the way you do life, you know. But don't do it just for a show, you know. Just don't do it for a show because I don't like that. I honestly don't. I can tell you that. Because when I know that person is good to their own family and they're like that to other people, oh, I love it. I really do. I do. Just be good in general. Put it that way. Yeah, I got a niece. Her name is Patricia. Now her mom always tells me how well she treats her and stuff. And I think to myself, that's a really blessed girl there, because her actions towards her mum and her dad and her siblings, you know, is good. You know? So my niece Patricia, good on you. Good on you. I love it. Guys, gotta love your parents. I'm just saying. Love your parents. But when they're not here anymore, you're gonna have regrets for the rest of your life. You will. When my dad passed away, and my brother rang from Brisbane to tell me, oh, my heart just teared in two. But at his funeral, it was weird. I didn't cry. I cried at home when I heard about it. I just couldn't stop crying. But I thought, at his funeral, I'm gonna cry my head off. Oh, how ugly, and you know, I'm gonna do that, what Oprah said, the ugly cry. And I think God, you know, warmed my heart. And I didn't cry. And I just see my siblings crying, and, you know, I'm sad for them, but I just think, too late, my siblings. You know, when our dad was alive, that's the time to show your love, you know. So when I didn't cry, my older brother said, I know our sister's not crying because she'd done her job when our father was alive. No, I don't want to say, I'm just saying, I saw the way that they loved us. I saw the way that they struggled, and as a teenager, you don't really appreciate it. You know, especially if you're a guy teenager especially if you're a teenager like me back in those days. Oh, guy, talk about guy, you know. And then sometimes when my parents would try to stop me, I get so angry, because to me, there's a world to see out there. You know, I didn't want to be told to stay home. Yeah, you know why? Because I just wanted to see everything out there that I could see, you know. But every time they try to stop me, it just made me want to go out there a bit more. But I was just hanging around my friends. So anyway, you see the struggle of your parents, right? And you grow older, and then you look back and you think, this is why they were trying to stop us, for our safety. Not because they don't want us to know life, because we will learn life when we get older, you know? But it was just protecting us. And there's my dad, this story, my dad, you know, especially on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, my dad would not have lunch, you know. Like some men at his job will say, come, Vinny, so I something, so kako lunch, so. But I think he was too proud, you know. And he used to go and sleep between the machines, just so he doesn't think about the hunger. So when he comes home, and no one's done dinner, my dad will make the dinner. You just think, and oh, did he love our mother? He loved our mother so much. Sometimes we'll have a kongai, really, right? And my mum will overtime on Sunday because to her, she's got bills to pay. You know, like if there's something for her church, if there's a request from the family in Samoa for something, she'll do overtime. And if there's a request from us that we want some clothes or shoes or something, she'll do overtime. And my dad, if there's overtime. But my dad is more for the mortgage and stuff like that. So my mum will overtime, come home with this bad headache, and she'll go to sleep without eating. Or she comes on Sunday, and we're all starving, waiting for her, you know. But my dad will make us wait for her till she comes home, and then we eat. He was so good to her, you know, a very loving husband, very hard worker. That's our dad. He used to enjoy his beer in the kitchen. He'll buy like a box of beer, put it underneath our basement, and he'll sink one beer, put it underneath the sink in our kitchen. And then he'll do his cooker. He'll do his cooker. And by the time his cooker and everything, the dishes, everything done, he's drunk. My dad was a really good dad. I praise God. Praise God for giving us kids a good, loving dad and a loving husband. Hard worker. Yeah, look after your parents, you know. Show them love. Better to show them the love than to say, I love you, Mum, I love you, Dad. But yet they see no love, they see no, you know, you're just living your own life, but no action. Lovely. there were times when we didn't have enough food. And then my dad will scoop us a lot of food, right? But we didn't have much food. So why is he trying to... And then I look at him and sometimes I say, okay, I. And he said, I. And then whatever's left, he'll go and sit down, scoop in one plate and eat it. No, it's sacrifice of a parent, a loving parent. How many times I've done that? Like if there's not enough food, pizza and stuff, and I'm thinking, I'm starving. Oh my. But I pretend to my kids, no, you guys eat. But really, I'm starving. Oh well, make do, man. You go make a toast. I'm talking about pizza or something. The pizza wasn't ordered enough, and my kids seemed to be really hungry. I go, nah. They're not going to make me a sandwich. I go, nah, I'm not hungry for that, but really. I want some pizza. Anyway. Sacrifice of parents. Oh, congratulations, Peter and Yen, for 5,000. They got 5,000, guys. And the video that they put up, guys, you know, they are from Asian descendants, but they are now our adopted party tubers. They're awesome. They went to viral not long ago, so guys, look up Peter and Yen, go and watch them. Don't forget to turn on your family. Go watch them. I want to say something. I've been getting requests to do like cooking, okay? So I've been thinking what to cook, and should I cook in here? Or should I cook in the kitchen? Right? And I was thinking, if I cook in the kitchen, then my mom's gonna come out of the room saying, "Who's that?" And then she'll come and dance in front of the video. But if I cook in here, and she's doing her own thing, word cross puzzles and colouring in her books, then she doesn't hear me talking somewhere, she won't come looking for me, okay? So I might have to cook in here, make sure she's got all her goodies, my mom, and then I'll cook in here, open this window, get the fan, blow out the... Well, what if you're MacGyver? Anyway, guys, so I'm going to start doing some cookings here and there, okay? Not all the time, just here and there, okay? So, and then do my mukbang. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, guys. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Look at that. I really like that tofu. Yeah, fried tofu. But don't forget, guys, make you guys some lemon tea. Okay? And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for the beautiful comments. I really appreciate it, guys. Really, really appreciate it. I love that, you know, I love that you guys take the time to comment me, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you also for your thumbs up. It's funny that you can watch it, like, you see about 500 views to 1,000 views. And then you look and you only got about how many thumbs up, like, okay, that's weird. But guys, I want to say thank you for those. Thank you for leaving me a comment. I appreciate that. Thank you. Did you guys do the book book? I was laughing about it. After I recorded, I thought, look at me telling people to do the book. And I said to my husband, yeah. On the video, I told the people that you chickened out, and I told them you're a and he goes, yeah, well, I'm not going to do it because those people will see me. Wow. I mean, come on, guys. Everyone eats. I think my husband, if y'all relate to some lady. Okay, guys, I'll see you again on my next video. Stay tuned. Drop on by. Thanks for the thumbs up and the comments. I really appreciate it, guys. Warte, wo?